Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to improve video quality in Google Flow step by step. If your AI-generated videos don't look as sharp, realistic, or detailed as you'd like, don't worry. In this guide, I'll share several simple techniques that can help you produce better-looking results. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account and open the project containing the video you want to improve. The first and most important step is to improve your prompt. A short prompt often produces generic results, while a detailed prompt gives the AI much more information. Include details about the subject, background, lighting, camera angle, camera movement, colors, mood, and visual style. The more descriptive your prompt is, the better the AI can understand your vision. Next, check the available generation settings. If Google Flow offers different quality options, always choose the highest quality available for your account. You should also select the correct aspect ratio depending on where you'll publish the video, such as widescreen for YouTube or vertical for short-form content. If style options are available, choose the one that best matches your project. For realistic scenes, select a realistic or cinematic style. Using the right style can significantly improve the overall appearance of your video. Another useful tip is to generate multiple versions of the same prompt instead of relying on the first result. AI generation is not always identical, and creating several versions allows you to compare them and select the best one. If you notice issues such as unnatural movements, incorrect objects, or inconsistent lighting, go back and refine your prompt. Small changes like describing smoother camera motion or more natural facial expressions can make a noticeable difference in the final output. If Google Flow supports reference images, consider uploading a high-quality image